In this lecture, we need to create 3D practice exercise 11. You can see here, this is the length 100 mm, width is 150 mm, this is width, and height is 90 mm. Just go to here, click here, new, select here 3D practice template, click open, select here box, click any location, select here length, we need to make it 100, 150, 90. Just go to here, make it a 100, then press enter, make it to 150, then press enter, make it height 90, then press enter. Next, we need to cut and remove this portion. For that, you can see here, this is the thickness downside 15 mm. Go to here, select here copy edges, select this one, press enter, click here, make it like this 15, then press enter. Next, you can see here this thickness, you can see here it is 20 mm. Go to here, copy edges, press escape key, select here copy edges, or you can press enter also. Select this one, press enter, click here, make it like this 20, then press enter. Next, select here press pull, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next, we need to make it this circle we need to remove. We need to place it in center. You can see here this side 75, this side 75, radius 30. You can see here radius 30. Go to here, select here top. That is very important. Already it is in top. Just go to circle, click this midpoint, make it 30 radius, 30, then press enter. Then go to the press pull, click here, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next, we need to make it this slot hole. That one dimension you can see here 25 and radius 5 mm. So diameter we can consider 10 mm. Diameter equal to radius into 2. So diameter 10 mm. 25, 10. Just go to here, go to the rectangle, click any location, select here dimension 25, then press enter, 10, then press enter, click any location. We need to place it proper location also. From this location 15 and this side 20. Go to here, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint, place it here, select this one, go to the move command again, click here, make it 15, press enter, select this one again, go to the move command, click here, make it this direction 20, then press enter. Go to the top view, select this one, type MI in keyboard, press enter, click here and click here, press enter. Then go to here southeast isometric. You can see here, select here fillet, make it a radius 5, then press enter, select here polyline, select this polyline, properly select polyline, select this polyline, press enter, repeat the same, select here polyline, select this polyline, select this polyline, it is ready. Then go to the press pull, click here and click here, then click here and click here, select this one, delete it. Similar way we need to make it in this direction also. That also same dimension, you can see here 25 and 10, you can see the radius 5 mm. Go to here, select here right or left, anyone you can choose. You can see here x1 like this. Go to the rectangle, click any location, select here dimension, make it horizontal 10, press enter, vertical 25, then press enter, click any location, select this one. We need to place it any one location. You can place it this corner. After that we can move this side 20 and down we can move it 32.5. Just go to here, go to the move command, click this midpoint, place it here, select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it this side 20, then press enter. You can see here this one 20. Next we need to move this one 32.5. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it 32.5, then press enter. Select here fillet, make it radius 5. Already we created a radius 5, that's why you will get it here. Select here polyline and select this one, select polyline, it is selected. Press escape key, you can see here. Then select here right, select this one, type MI in your keyboard, then press enter. Click this midpoint and click here, then press enter. You can mirror this one. Select here southeast isometric, then go to the press pull, click here, click here, click here, and click here. Press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this arrangement. You can see here dimension. Vertically it is 25. Just go to here, select here copy edges, select this one, press enter, click here, make it 25 vertical. Next we need to make it this one, it is horizontal 20, and we need to place it here, and this side it is 35. Go to here, copy edges, select this one, that is better, select this edge, press enter, click here, make it 35, press enter. Go to copy edges again, click here, press enter, click here, make it 35, then press enter. Next we created this 35, this point we marked. Next we need to make it this one for 20. Go to here, select this line, copy, click here, make it 20, then press enter. Press escape key, select this line, go to here, copy, click here, make it this side 20, then press enter. You can see here all the lines. Just go to the line tool, click this endpoint and click here, press escape key, press enter, repeat the same command, click here and click here, then press escape key. Now we don't want this two line, select that one, delete it, then go to here, press pull, click here, select this one, delete it. Now it is clear. Next we need to make it this one, this arrangement. That one thickness you can see here 10 mm. Just go to here, make it front, select here coordinate front. You can see here XY like this. Then go to the polyline, click this midpoint, similar way click this midpoint, type C in your keyboard, then press enter. Select this one, go to here extrude, make it 10, then press enter. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it this side 5, press enter. Now it is placed exactly center. Then go to here union, select this everything, press enter. Now it is one component. Next we can make this fillet and all. Fillet radius is 5, all the direction fillet radius is 5. Just go to here, select here solid tab, select here fillet edge, make it a radius 5, then press enter. We can select all the edges, select this one, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same this direction and press double enter. Next you can go to this side, fillet edge, select this one, press enter, repeat the same command, make it, select this all the edges, press double enter. Now this one also ready. Next you can arrange this all the views and you can create dimensions, you can make changes everything here. This all the thing very simple. You can create a linear dimension, radius dimension, and this all the thing you can make it. Once you made everything, you have to save the model. and you can print the drawing.